Let's learn the viral dance to Forrest Frank's Okay. I love this one. So you're going to start with your right hand on your chest, left hand is behind you, and you're going to start with your right foot. You're just going to step right, left, left. And when you do that, you're going to bend your upper body. So from the back, you have right, left, left. Now you're going to go back, left, right, and this time your arms are going to go up in a V, but you're still going to rock your body the same way. You're going left, right, left. So we have right, left, switch, left, right, and go ahead and pull your arms down because you're going to bring them back up on the next step. And so for the next part, you're just going to step right, touch, right, left, touch. Your arms are going to go right, touch, and your left arm is pointing up, your right arm is like by your ear. Step right, touch, left, touch. Now you're going to do your arms double time, right, left, touch. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right, touch, left, touch, right, left, touch. And that last touch, you actually are going to step on it because you're going to step on your right foot next. So think right, left, left, because now we're going to step right, touch, left, touch. And when you do that, you're just going to bring your right arm up and around and point, and your left arm and point. So you've got right, left. So from the beginning, we have right, left, left, right, step right, touch, left, touch, right, left, step right, touch, left, touch. And now you're going to do right, left, right again. And you're just going to kind of shake your hand, your fingers come in front, right, left. So that part is right, left. From here, you're going to step front on your right one more time, and you're going to pivot to the back. And when you do that, you can just kind of push your arms down your body, and you're going to walk to the back, and then you're going to turn and run to the front and jump up, pick up your right leg, and you're just going to sort of pump your arms up and down while you're hopping forward. So from the back, we just did step right, point, left, point, shake right, left, pivot right, and walk back, and run to the front, and hop. Your right foot's up, so now step right, left, hop. And your arms are going opposite of your legs. So when you're stepping on your right foot, your arms are going to the left. So you're going right, left, and on your hop, you're just going to cross your arms in front of your face. So you have right, left, hop to the opposite, left, hop. You're just going to jump around in a circle, and you can just kind of do your arms. This is, I think, how they do it. And then end with okay. So from the beginning, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, touch, step, and point right, point left, and shake. 2, 3, 4. Pivot and walk back, and run and jump. 2, 3, 4. Go right, left, hop, left, hop, and jump in a circle. Okay, that's it. I hope that helped. I hope you enjoyed that one.